Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Awu-15 bafethu ama-player waku-Kaizer Chiefs this season sedile nama-injuries. Isizini akusikudala iqalile but already badile ngama-injuries awu-15 bafethu. 15, imagine le akusiyinamba encane, inamba enkulu kakhulu. Is it i-problem yelokhu njani i-medical team or medical department e-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ayikho well equipped na ukuthi ama-player abe-right nanokuthi bawa-anticipate ama-injury bakwazi ukuwasolve angabi maningi kakhulu. Ayikho i-team yaku-Betway Premiership bafethu edilana ngama-injuries njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngikhuluma ngama-injuries wa-this season kuphela. Abanye-ke siyazi ukuthi recurring injuries lesi yabo Dotli noMsimango, but-ke abaningi ama-injuries wa-this season kuphela. Ithi sibabale bafowethu. So soqala ngo-goalkeeper uNtwari lona esikhulume ngaye earlier on vele masizwa ama-report ukuthi usesibhedlela u-recover from i-shoulder injury. uDotli given Msimango. uMsimango sekazobuya-ke nasekudala ajima ne-team but akakadlali negame eyodwa. uDotli akakabe ready ukuthi adlale kwi-injury yakhe. And then omunye odile ne-injury uMcCarthy simbonile laphana kuleya game yakhe ephuma. I think it was his third game edlala kahle kakhulu after ama-man of the matches alandelanayo but waba ku-injured. And then that thing stopped him from i-progression yakhe beyiza kahle but-ke uza kahle umfana. And then omunye uPaseka Mako. uPaseka Mako sedile nama-injuries awu-2 ku-Kaizer Chiefs already. 2 injuries. Namanje sebuyile uyajima ne-team but kubuya kwenye injury futhi. Already in space of couple of weeks or 2 months udila nama-injuries awu-2. Ushinga uthintekile naye wathinteka ngakhona bekumele a-recover udile ne-injury I think ne-flu but izinto zakhe it was in long term. uThabiso Munyane naye udile ne-injury after ejimini. Abantu abaningi by the way ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu abalimali elokhu njani egroundini sibabona balimala emajimini asazi noma bayalimazana or kwenzakalani. uSiphesihle Ndlovu naye bedila ne-injury. Cabanga uSiphesihle Ndlovu out of the blue nje usazifikela naye already sekadile ne-injury. uLebohang Maboy u-Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina by the way ebuya ku-injury because of ngoJune waya esibhedlela wenza bamsika la bamsika khona but it was i-surgery yakhe and then wakwazi ukurecover njengoba sesimbona manje edlala but-ke i-fitness level yakhe beyingekho that sharp. That is why athatha isikhathi eside ukuthi adlale laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Ethan Cheslet naye on and off uke waba ne-flu bake ba-announce ba-report i-flu. But isikhathi esiningi u-Ethan Cheslet uyadlala. That is why kune-division between ama-fans ukuthi hayi Kaizer Chiefs ngathi kwamanye ama-injuries iqamba amanga. But u-Ethan Cheslet noShinga bekuthiwa badila nezinto nje ey'ncane akusiyo izinto ezi-serious but already there were match days la bebangekho available khona. uLilepo already udile nama-injuries ayi-2 but uLilepo uyaba injured egamini but next game umbone. It's only the last game la singambonanga at all ku-match day squad. They didn't announce anything ngaye because of Kaizer Chiefs azange ibe ne-media open day la coach bakhuluma ne-media. So that is why singazi lutho ngoLilepo but-ke simbonanga ku-match day squad the last game yabo. Naye udila naloko okuthinteka lokho simbonile-ke yena ulimale laphana ku-game ye-AS Simba ku-continental level laba wina khona eDobsonville but next game I can't remember he was available the following game but bambona ukuthi akekho that sharp bakwazi ukumreplace. u-Igadaro walimala ejimini asafikela ku-Kaizer Chiefs but-ke manje seka-right uyacompete. uSilva naye uke waba angabe available, he was off because of uke wathinteka waba ku-injury but it was not something major but naye uke wathinteka bekangekho ku-match day squad. That is why kwamanye amagame angawadlalanga. And then obviously one of the big injuries-ke Khanyisa Mayo currently is injured but he's currently recovering well cause kubonakala naye ukuthi akusi-injury elong cause mangimbona mina ngibona umuntu o-right. To be fair mangimbona ngibona umuntu o-right and seqalile ukujima. I think une-week or 2 ejima yedwa laphana so uzokwazi ukuba available soon for i-Kaizer Chiefs but angazi ukuthi uzoba available late this month ngoba bazomdinga ku-continental level. Bazotravela baye e-Egypt bodlala ne-Al Masry and then kuzoba ne-return leg lana e-South Africa which is it's gonna be ePeter Mokaba Stadium econfirmiwe but-ke kuphinde kuthiwe-ke babheka amanye amaveni kwasho kwagcina but iPeter Mokaba Stadium abane-deal ye-60 million. So bona if izinto ziyashintsha-ke then I would just have to report about that incident. So 15 injuries bafethu and amanye ama-player khona ama-player angakadlali-ke ku-Kaizer Chiefs akhona laphana esquadini awakadlali this season. uLuke Batman akakadlali at all. uMorris uyafana nomuntu ongakadlali cause wangena wazoshaya ipenalty nje kuphela but-ke asikakamboni. uDonay Jansen umfana laphana ona-22 odlala i-right wing akakadlali naye but-ke ulaphana ku-DDC team, udlala khona ku-DDC team. So abantu u-Ethan Cheslet naye akakadlali, siyazi obvious ukuthi akadlali umfowethu. Sisibheke nabanye esibona ukuthi abakadlali abaka-contribute lise kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs this season. Obvious uDotle naye akakadlali, uMsimang akakadlali but uMsimang uzodlala very soon. I think ngeke iphele this month given uMsimang singambonanga. I think sombona bafowethu, I predict ukuthi sombona, or if asimboni this month sombona early ngoDecember before ibhethu ye-Premiership ivalwe. Goalkeeper uVuma akakadlali, uMulife akakadlali. Kona umfana laphana uMukwena naye lo waku-DDC team sike sambona bam-announcer noma behamba naye ba-travel-a naye ku-match day but naye akakadlali umfana because of ulo uPeterson uvimba kahle kakhulu. Bane-squad esikhulu esi-right, that is why badila nama-injuries but-ke kuma-different departments like banabantu aba-different abazokwazi ukusiza. For example, ko-goalkeeper bano-goalkeeper abawu-5 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so ngeke babhekane nenkinga yo-goalkeeper. Omunye mengekho khona ozoba khona, omunye mengekho khona ozoba khona. So if uPeterson akekho khona o-goalkeeper abawu-4 abamile but bazoba bawu-3 manje because uNtwari ngeke abe available. Kusho ukuthi uVuma ozo-replace uPeterson, kaze uVuma uzodlala kanjani, uzodeliver kanjani laphana for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu whenever is given an opportunity to play. Masibheke i-depth ku-defense bano-Inacho Miguel, uKwinika, uMcCarthy, bawu-3 kuphela ku-defense. Yabona i-defense yabo inenkinga. If abawu-2 banga-drop before kuzodlala bani laphana bafethu ku-central back kuzodlala bani, noma ngithi ku-center back kuzodlala bani, because bawu-3 kuphela. But-ke lucky enough uMsimang uya-recover, they have to have uDotley, but at the same time uDotley udila ngale ndaba yedolo. It's not easy ukuthi avele adlale nje, kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi abuye. That is why abanye ngiyawabona ama-comment wenu bafethu nithi uTore kumele bamsayine. Khona uTore heavily linked with i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-agency yakhe seyim-offer ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nangu umfana ningamsayina. Konke sokulelike u-Kaizer Chiefs, if i-Kaizer Chiefs iyageja ukuthi ayimsayine noma bavumelana ama-terms, kusho ukuthi-ke they just have to try and look somewhere else because they can't depend say kuma-center back awu-3 kuphela bafethu. uMcCarthy, uKwinika, uMiguel kuphela yibo abantu aba-available for i-Kaizer Chiefs abafit laba, yibo kuphela aba-fully fit abadlala i-center back. They're still waiting for Dotley. Msimango asazi ukuthi mebuya laphana egrawundini ngeke athinteke futhi naye injury yakhe ivele iqale phansi ngoba kuyenzeka. But ku-Cross uyakwazi ukudlala laphana ku-center back, but-ke in recent seasons siyazi ukuthi udlala i-left back, but ku-center back uyakwazi ukudlala. And then uPaseka Mako-ke angakwazi ukudlala laphana ku-left back. So ama-position amaningi masibheka laphana ku-left back banabadlali abawu-3 bafethu. Bano-Cross, bano-Mako, bano-Shinga, uShinga akakadlali. I-left back-ke la position leya before ngiya lapha uMcCarthy naye banokumfaka ku-left back. I remember kulimala uCross bafaka uMcCarthy laphana kuleya position, so uMcCarthy une-bit of versatility naye uyakwazi ukuba ku-left back. Siyazi ukuthi but going forward akacontribute kakhulu because of akanayo leyo nto leyo ukuthi uyakwazi uku-attack-a. uMako ipeli banika lokho, noShinga angakwazi ukubanika leyo nto leyo ku-left back. So left back banama-player awu-3, ku-right back futhi banama-player awu-3, uFrosler, uThabiso Munyane, uSolomons udlala kahle kakhulu, Thabiso Munyane udlala kahle kakhulu. Frosler in terms of ukungimaka yinto emshayayo, ngeke ngayikhuluma le nto lena bafethu. I-position e-critical for i-Kaizer Chiefs enomuntu oyedwa bafethu i-defensive midfield. I don't think, angiyazi mina i-team of this magnitude ene-player elilodwa ku-position. Umthetho akekho, ayikho i-competition yakho umthetho laphana ku-defensive midfielder uyedwa. Kuchaza ukuthi umthetho uzodlala almost wonke amagame we-Kaizer Chiefs. It's a must ukuthi awadlale, especially lamagame lawa difficult, kumele protect i-defense because uye kuphela okwazi ukudlala leya position laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Unless if bangathatha i-defender, if banama-defender amaningi, if umthetho unenkinga bazoconverta i-defender eline-versatility balibeka laphana i-defensive midfielder, but-ke uye kuphela umthetho. It's just well, I would say it's embarrassing for i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ku-defensive midfielder babe ne-player elilodwa kuphela. Uzo-replace oba ngeke ngakhuluma ngayo ensukwini bafethu ukuthi umthetho bake bamreplace ngoMatlo, ngasho ukuthi nah, this is just terrible, this is bad. You cannot replace umthetho ngoMatlo, there is no way, because of badlala ama-position awu-2 angafani. I-defensive babhilivele ukuthi kumele badefenda, ngisho coach bamake sure ukuthi bakhipha ama-clean sheets or i-defense ayikho easily exposed. Umthetho babamkhipha if igame isasenzima nanokuthi abafuna ukuconsider kumele babe nenye i-defensive midfield ezomnika i-competition umthetho. Manje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akekho noyedwa umuntu onikwa umthetho i-competition kuleya position leya. That is why even umthetho amabhola uyawaluza isikhathi esiningi, but udlala kahle kakhulu to be fair umthetho bafethu i-work rate yakhe, i-hard work yakhe udlala kahle. It's just nje ukuthi akwazi ukulibamba ibhola phasa ama-players wakhe kahle. Uye kuphela kuleya position, uye kuphela umuntu abangambangisi i-position, uye kuphela ethimini. And then ku-central midfielder sinoCele, sinoNdlovu, ulokhunjana I think kulona ngizomfaka khona bafethu uNgcobo, because of uNgcobo u-versatile angithi. So uNgcobo uyakwazi ukudlala as-attacking midfielder, uyakwazi futhi ukuba i-central midfielder abe laphana esiswini, dictate i-tempo of the game, ashaye nama-passes. So uNgcobo ufitha as i-central midfielder aphinde futhi akwazi ukuba i-attacking. Ku-attacking-ke banoShabalala noLebohang Maboyo unayo le versatility-ke yokuthi central and then attacking. But-ke yeah, ama-attacking yiwo amaningi kakhulu laphana ethimini, because of ama-attacking basobala uGeorge Mahlow nayo i-attacking, uCheslett uyi-attacking, uNgcobo uyafitha naku-attacking vele, uVilakazi uyafitha as attacking midfielder, but isikhathi Kaizer Chiefs bamdlalisa i-winger kuphela. And then uMdu Shabalala. Justin Sirino naye ufitha as ilona i-winger, and then afithe at the same time afithe as i-number 10 noma i-attacking midfield, uyakwazi ukudlala lawo ma-position oyi-2. So ama-position amaningi bafethu nabantu abaningi abawabangayo lawo ma-position-ke. Masiya ku-striking department-ke i-strikers eight strikers ngeke ngakhuluma ngazo, but-ke let's mention if khona umuntu ozwa le clip le ongibona kokuqala, u-Ighodaro, uMayo, uDupreez, uDuba, uMorris, uSilva, uBatman, Naledi Hlongwane, umfana ongakadlali this season. So every position is strong kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Isquad sabo mosibheka bafethu, the most expensive player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ulokhunjana u-Ighodaro. In terms of like i-market value yakho, u-Ighodaro o-expensive kunabo bonke laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, i-market value yakhe iphezulu ngendlela emangazayo. I think iphezulu because of i-goal pedigree yakhe laphana ku-Betway Premiership, nanokuthi udlalele iMamelodi Sundowns manje kuMamelodi Sundowns udlalile in terms of ukuthi bamsayinile noma bekayiplayela eMamelodi Sundowns, but official match akaze adlala kuMamelodi Sundowns because bekadlala, ngizoyikhumbula le team le iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bebayibizani because beyijimela laphana ngasePitori eUNISA the first time ngimbona i-Ighodaro. I think it was 2021 laphana i-campaign ye-Sundowns, but not i-Sundowns le yabomshishi, the other Sundowns. Yeah, uyiplayer expensive kunawo wonke ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs, i-market value yakhe iphezulu kakhulu bafowethu. And then omunye iplayer eline-market value enkulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uKhanyisa Mayo, now it's almost R1 million. That is why Kaizer Chiefs, they are expected mabamsayina permanent umdlali ukuthi bakhiphe between 11 to 12 million rands ukuthi bamsayine kuma-permanent basis. But kuzobonakala ngoKhanyisa Mayo ukuthi uzocontribute kangakanani for i-Kaizer Chiefs this season, and then bazodecide-ke by the end of the season ukuthi uyahlala or uyahamba. I think ayikho into engicabanga ukuthi bafethu ephula abantu iy'nhliziyo noma edepressa njengokuhamba kwe-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyohlezi ngiyi-mention abafethu le nto le, ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuhamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs as i-player la unama-resources a-everything. I mean la ujimela khona it's world class, uyojimela egrawundini elilodwa futhi nakhona igrawundi lakhona abali-maintain, uyodlalela i-team encane nama-change room wakhona awekho right. So kusezulwini laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs to be fair bafowethu. But-ke ama-player amanye uthola ukuthi vele mentally awekho ready kuba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. We've seen many players coming laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs then bahambe bangadilivanga, bangayenzanga langalutho i-team, and then they were focused nje ekutheni bona ba-famous nje kuphela nanokuthi badlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-team enkulu. But sithemba ukuthi lama-crops of young talent akhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu bazokwazi ukuba mentally fit, mentally strong, bakwazi ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Man, I'm remembering something lana. Ngizobala ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu afeyilile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, not ngingasho ukuthi afeyilile ne, ngithi ama-player bewane-opportunity enkulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They were given obviously platform laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-performe, but they could not live up to ama-expectations Because ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu it's massive, kunzima kakhulu ukudlala khona, but-ke ama-player amanye they could not like do it ku-Kaizer Chiefs, it was just too much. Khona iplayer bafethu engizoqala ngalo lana eMadagascar, ubani uDex, kwakuwubani uDex or ubani umfethu laphana wasayinwa i-Kaizer Chiefs, kunebhazi e-serious ngaye mayefika eSouth Africa, kuthiwa uDex or uDez. Izinto zakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs to be fair bafethu azange zihambe kahle. Bekuwumfana umfethu engingasho ukuthi umfana, umfowethu laphana one-potential kakhulu uma umbheka, but-ke there was something off ngaye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if i-pressure or in, because baze bamthatha bamlona umfana, but he never really adapted. I think bamlona ku-SuperSport United, but he never really adapted to i-game yase-South Africa or i-South African game. He never really adapted, like he struggled. Yabona uma kuthiwa umuntu ustrugglile, wastruggle ku-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu futhi ukusementa indawo yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-resources akhona, everything is there ukuthi ube yi-success as a player, but-ke when uyafeylela wena nje straight, you'll be given everything on offer ukuthi ukwazi ukudlalela i-team enkulu bafethu, but-ke wena as a player uzoziphoxa, uzohlulekela. No, azange aye ku-SuperSport United bafethu, ngiyakhumbula bamthatha bamusa bamlona ku-Black Leopard, not i-SuperSport United. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs udlala ama-matches awu-16, ku-Black Leopards udlale ama-matches awu-23. All in all nje i-contribution yakhe ku-South African football ushaye 4 goals ne-1 assist. That's a bad record. I remember ku-Kaizer Chiefs bamnika uVersini Malanga ayijwayelanga. I remember even ama-salaries wakhe bawa-reporta kwela kubo laphana basho ukuthi imali e-serious ngempela-ke le ayitholayo laphana e-South Africa, ezotshentsha nempilo yakhe, right? So but-ke obviously ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, it's a different ball game to be fair. There's something that you need to have. I don't know ilona kumele bakugcabe noma bakwenzeni bafethu, but-ke kumele ube strong kakhulu, ngoba noNdulula udlalile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uNdulula me-complaina for ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi wayehlezi elimele, so azange ayithole i-opportunity laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi adlale kahle. But-ke uNdulula bekanalo i-talent to be fair nyana, ke waba nalo i-talent, but Kaizer Chiefs was just too big for yena, to be honest, was just too big. Maningi ama-player angazi-ke bafowethu, asingeneni kulokhu njani ku-player-ke besicabanga ukuthi lizoba yi-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sonke besicabanga ukuthi lizoba yi-success enkulu futhi hhayi i-success encane. uLebohang Manyama, what a player bafowethu. uLebohang Manyama belaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uretire 2023, mebuyela laphana ethimini yakhe, and then wabuyela eCape Town, I think ku-Ajax Cape Town. He was forced to retire because of i-injury, I think khona into yayimphazamisa ngempela. That's why he was forced to retire, because wagcina ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and then wazama ukuthi abe right, but-ke izinto azange zihambe kahle. uLebohang Manyama bafethu udlalela ama-team amaningi kakhulu kwi-South African football, but-ke uqala ukuvela laphana kwa-Ajax Cape Town, and then waya ku-SuperSport United, waya ku-Black Aces, wabuyela ku-SuperSport United. Ku-Cape Town City kulashisa khona kakhulu, baze bamthenga kuthimini yase-Turkey bafowethu, waye-Turkey, but e-Turkey azange alaste long, udlala isizini eyodwa nje kuphela e-Turkey, wabuya Kaizer Chiefs yamsayina. Kaizer Chiefs kulahlale khona, I think for 3.5 years or 3 to 4 years lapho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Angazi i-stay sakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nina bafowethu nisibona kanjani, i-contribution yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi uperforme kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because bekhona even nakuBafana Bafana at some time, but-ke songena kuye nama-stats wakhe, ibhola lakhe nje ukuthi yiphi team adlale kahle kakhulu kuyo compared to amanye ama-team, because u-versatile siyamazi. Ku-Kaizer Chiefs mawubheka i-record lakhe bafethu, ku-Kaizer Chiefs alikho that bad to be fair. Udlala ama-matches awu-98 for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukora amagoli awu-15, washaya ama-assist awu-15, and then ku-Ajax Cape Town udlala amagame awu-100, washaya 16 goals plus 9 assists ethimini encane. And then ku-Cape Town City khona uyi-provider, I think akasiyi-striker, bekaba ku-wing or edlala as number 10, but esayidini or attacking midfielder, bekasiza lapho kakhulu for i-team, but-ke amagoli wakhe nama-assist bekawashaya. ama-assist futhi bafowethu washayile. Cabanga ama-assist ayi-15 for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-assist irekhodi eli-good ngempela. But a lot was expected from yena i-Kaizer Chiefs mayimsayina. As much as irekhodi lakhe lingekho that bad bafowethu, but a lot was expected ukuthi ba-deliver ama-trophies for i-Kaizer Chiefs because of bebakuma-salaries amakhulu aboLebohang Manyama. Then Kaizer Chiefs azange ithole nix. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs they thought investa kubantu abangaka or ku-talent elingaka, because at some point ngiyakhumbula phana isquad se-Kaizer Chiefs besinabo Nokovic, besinama-players like a-different like abo Castro, abo Khama Billiard, nabo Lebohang Manyama, oNtshangase, oBennett Parker, why George Maluleke, before George Maluleke enza itayela zakhe, oKatsande. There's no reason for Itumele Nkuni laphana emuva, oMphahlele, oKhadoso, so oGodinho laphana. So there was no reason ukuthi le squad lesi powerful kangaka bafuthi singawini ne-trophy yodwa, but asikwazanga le squad lesi ukuwina any trophy ku-professional setup. That is why maybe Kaizer Chiefs yabona ukuthi bekumele babahambise abanye abadlali bangarenew ama-contract wabanye abadlali. I wanna talk about okay, sengizovala-ke lo wokugcina bafethu. Ubongolwethu Jayiya. I don't know if niyamkhumbula umfethu bafethu Ubongolwethu-ke kulo nyaka bafethu una-35. Washisa ikhotha ku-Ajax Cape Town yena nabo Lebohang Manyama. uKaizer Chiefs mayisayina, there was a big buzz kuthiwa hayi Kaizer Chiefs isayinile. Guess what? Kaizer Chiefs azange abe ne-influence, azange abe influential, to be honest bafethu, azange abe influential at all. Ngakhohlwa nokumkhohlwa, like bomkhohlwa nokumkhohlwa mawucabanga ngabadlali laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Mawucabanga ngabadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs bongeke umcabange bafethu ubongolwethu Jayiya. But isizini ababa nayo laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs yena nabo Lebohang Manyama, bebayi-hot property ngempela. And uKaizer Chiefs bamnikile, to be fair, ama-opportunity ukuthi adlale bafethu. Udlale 20 games ku-Kaizer Chiefs, 0 goals, only 2 assist kuphela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Isikhathi esiningi bekangayitholi full game, siyazi bengena lapho nalapho. He was supposed to end phela ku-starting lineup, he was supposed to end indawo yakhe laphana ku-starting 11 ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi okay bambone ukuthi uzodlala nanokuthi uzocontribute kangakanani. But it was not a great time ukuthi abe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Mawubheka even nama-minutes awadlalile mancane phela ama-minutes awadlalile lo muntu lo ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. But-ke before eza ku-Kaizer Chiefs ube ne-success somewhere else, like uJayiya waye ku-Cape Town, is it Cape Town? Yes, yebo, kulawo beshisa khona kakhulu. Wayesengidideka manje, waye Cape Town City, not ku-Ajax Cape Town, ku-Cape Town City kuladlale kahle kakhulu washisa. But-ke la wadevelopha khona igame yakhe to the highest level bafethu kulokhunjana Bidvest Wits, kuladlala kahle kakhulu futhi enamagoli, enama-assist, naku-ACC futhi isikhathi sakhe besi-right. Ku-Maritzburg United azange adlale isikhathi eside, but-ke irecord kusho ukuthi ube ne-best football yakhe would say why ngithi i-Ajax Cape Town man, i-Cape Town City, ngicela ningixolele uma ngithi i-Ajax Cape Town, i-Cape Town City kulabe ne-best football yakhe, adlale kahle kakhulu, a-contributor kuma-season wakhe, like the biggest season of his career. Obviously udlala amagame amaningi laphana u-24 amagame, isizini eyodwa udlala amagame awu-24 laphana ku-Ajax, why ngithi Ajax Cape Town, ku-Cape Town City la adlale khona amagame awu-24, washaya 5 goals, waba ne-assist. Kulaya nanobo Lebohang Manyama bedlala kahle kakhulu, then ba-attract ama-interest from ama-teams amakhulu. Cela uyibamba la kwamanje. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Iziliphi i-legend elifuna, well noma ngithi umuntu odlalile nje ku-Kaizer Chiefs enifuna ngimkhave next time mangikhuluma ngabadlali abake badlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs abangenzanga kahle noma benze kahle. Danko.